This video will show you how to remove a V-belt. First, you unplug the power. You want to keep your fingers. A number of years ago, I didn't unplug it. I started turning the pulley, and the edge of the pulley sliced the ends of my fingers. I don't quite see the scar anymore. I don't know if you can see that. It's just a little bit of a scar. Anyway, what I normally do when I change a belt is I'll turn the pulley usually three times. If the door's in the closed position, you may only be able to turn it one way because it may be tight, may have tightened the belt, may have tightened after it hit the floor. So what I'll do when you're working on getting ready to change the belt, see which way it will turn and see which way it doesn't turn. But if you just go three times the opposite direction, then you can either put your screwdriver down here or you can put it up here and then pry it off. So with the power disconnected, we put the screwdriver in and then pull on the pulley and the belt comes off. Now notice that the designation here is 5L304. There's also a LiftMaster part number that you can see right here, 1012014. Now when you're replacing a V-belt, it's always best to use the original OEM belts. Notice that these belts are serrated. And there's an advantage to that. There's a reason engineers made that. But if you get in a bind, you can go to any hardware store and find something to get you by until you can get the OEM part. If you need to run out and pick up a belt at a hardware store, what you can do with the belt is mark it. You see the mark? And then you pull your tape measure along the belt. Till you get to the other side, 29.5 inches. When you're measuring a belt, you not only need to know the length all the way around, but also the width. This belt is 5/8 of an inch wide. So the way we would designate this on our website, you have the 5/8 width, so we call that a 5L. And then the length of it is 29.5 inches. So we call it a 5L295. Most belts that you can pick up at a local hardware store, lumberyard, come in 1-inch increments. So the logical question is, will a different belt work that's not 29.5 inches? And the answer is yes. You can use a 30-inch belt or possibly a 29-inch belt. If you can get a belt that's either an inch, half-inch shorter or half-inch longer, you can adjust your motor to tighten the belt or to loosen it if it's too tight. So to reinstall the belt, put it on the small pulley, go around to the large pulley, and start it around. Now you get up toward the top, and it's going to be tight. So it takes a little bit of muscle to get this on here. And then it's in place.